I'm here today with honour to surprise Risborough Rangers Pan Disability junior football team and giving them an extraordinary day.
I believe anybody can do anything they set their heart to. It's just the way that they are taught and how things are made more accessible for them.
Hi everyone! The children know that I run a tech channel and they've been interested in my videos. They know I launched PocketVision.
To Melanie, Ricky and the team, Merry Christmas from Beth.
Beth is a good friend of mine and she plays for Arsenal and England ladies. She sent us a personal message to say Happy Christmas.
Hi Risborough Rangers, it's Beth here. I hope you're having the best Christmas party. What they don't know is I'm actually here and I've got some presents to go and give them.
Here's Beth! She has some presents!
The surprise was amazing. We give away Honor 9 X phones and the kids' faces were unbelievable.
It's amazing. That's probably made their Christmas.
Who fancies the kickabout? Yeah? I think inclusivity is really important for kids to build the confidence through sport. I was showing the PocketVision app earlier and it's amazing how technology can be so empowering for young kids.
It was an extraordinary surprise. I would like to say thank you to Honor for the work that they are doing to make technology more accessible to people with disabilities.
Cheers.